personal accident rider. Again, marami ring products sa AIA na pwede ito, so you can also use this explanation for that. Alright, so si personal accident rider is an additional benefit that provides coverage on accident-related conditions prior to age 75. So up to age 75 yung coverage niya. Alright, so again, mag-take effect ito kung na-aksidente si insured. Alright, so it covers accidental loss of life. So in case mamatay due to accident yung insured within 180 days after the accident. Alright, magkakaroon ng additional na coverage aside from the life insurance coverage plus the personal accident coverage ibibigay sa beneficiaries. Meron ding yung nasa baba, personal accident, accidental dismemberment and loss of use benefit. If in case maputulan ng kamay, ganyan, maputulan ng leg, etc. Alright, it provides a percentage of the principal sum corresponding to a schedule when injury results in an accidental dismemberment, yun nga, or loss of use of various parts of the proposed insured's body within 180 days after the accident. So again, if accident related, dapat kunyari kung natuluyan ng naputol yung kamay, for example, natulungan lang nabulag, loss of use of sight, loss of hearing, etc. Due to accident, dapat within 180 days from that accident para bayaran yung additional coverage. Now, kung wala ka nitong rider na to, don't worry, meron pa rin namang life insurance talaga. So, in case of death of accident, makukuha pa rin yung life, no, kahit wala tong rider na to. Ito is additional benefit lang. Alright? So, now, may additional 100% benefit if the accident, no, is caused by the kumbaga nanggaling siya if the accident is resulted from loss of life or dismemberment due to public transportation, no, as listed na passenger in commercial bus, automobile like Grab, taxi, and train, monorail, boat, airplane, or ride-sharing app, yun nga, no? So land, sea, or air route na established, so kasama siya, or acts of nature, no, covered like storm, yung nga binagyo, diba? Earthquake, flood, landslide, volcanic eruption, etc. No? Kung yun yung reason ng pagka-accident, whether dismemberment or loss of life, additional 100%. So kunyari 500,000 yung face amount ng accident insurance mo, ng PA rider mo, magiging 1 million siya in case of that coverage. So that's for the personal accident rider. Again, dapat based on accident, dapat nangyari within 180 days from the date of accident. Alright? No? So whether loss of life or death, or yun nga, may dismemberment or loss of use. Alright? Kasi kunyari, yun nga, loss of sight, kahit hindi naman natanggal yung mata, loss of use, so kasama siya.